Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So here we go. We're gonna talk about SharePoint, guys. This video going to be about again same assignment than the other videos, which is real life tickets. Okay, real life scenarios. It's what I prepared to you. Actually, I didn't look that much at the tickets. I'm not going to lie. So we're gonna discover it. And of course, just in case I forget like some of the thing, we will use Copilot in case I forget about certain type of concept or whatever things regarding SharePoint. So I wanted to do yesterday at the same time per view, and I wanted just to do like 2 or 3 tickets with SharePoint. But again, I said it's better I do like a proper video where I will explain, because it's true that according to me, SharePoint compared to other product of Microsoft is not the biggest one. For example, if you compare Intune to SharePoint, it's just crazy the amount of pressure that you could, the amount just of knowledge and concept and things that you could issue that you could get regarding either Intune, Entra, or even Purview, and compare it to SharePoint. So that's why I just wanted to do a quick video. So guys, before we tackle those tickets and those scenarios, I think it's important that I answer to this question about SharePoint, because people, some of you, they've been to this platform and they could do like they create sites or whatever things, but it's still, especially for new arrivals, it could be a bit complicated to understand what is SharePoint and how it nests. It's really the most important question like to answer, how it nests into this whole Microsoft 365 system, ecosystem, sorry. So guys, just a simple introduction about SharePoint. SharePoint is an online platform, okay, that helps teams and organizations work together, like to work together. It's as simple as this, guys. You need to be focused on this when you want to understand what is SharePoint. It's just a way to help teams and organization work together, as simple as this. And it is designed to make it easier to organize documents, whatever the thing, share and manage content like files, documents, and other information. So SharePoint improves teamwork and simplifies workflows. You just need to remember this, guys. You just need to remember that it is for teamwork to provide to enhance their productivity, because they would have everything in a one single place. Okay, they will have everything in IT team, everything inside his department. And basically what you can do with SharePoint is that you can store and share documents. Okay, this one and you can create teams or communication sites. Okay, so this one, for example, is a team, this one is a team, and this one is a communication site. So basically you go there, sites, and the difference, guys, is that team sites is for team collaboration. So it's where, when I ask you when I told you the actual definition right now about SharePoint, and I told you that it's really emphasizes into team collaboration, it's basically what this site about. Like this team site here, it's really about team collaboration, and it's where you can share updates, manage tasks, and update and work on like projects. Okay, and communication site is way different. Communication sites are used to share announcements, policies, or news across the company. Okay, what you can do with SharePoint too, you can automate workflow, which is very interesting. We're gonna see this later with some tickets. So with Power Automate, you can connect SharePoint to other Microsoft 365 apps and create process like automating approvals or notification for updates. It's really one of the best, I think for me, one of the best features of SharePoint is that you can incorporate it with Power Automate in order to to create processes. But we will see this later on, and you'll see what I'm talking about. What other thing you can do with SharePoint? Yes, I think this one is pretty easy for you to get. Like, yeah, and also we will see this later. But sometimes there is some documents where you want to give specific permission to people. You want to give permission to specific user. Okay, so also SharePoint is there for this type of work. Okay, so what type of other question I had concerning SharePoint? Yeah, how SharePoint fits into Microsoft 365. So basically, guys, SharePoint fits into Microsoft 365 in the way that it integrates. You can integrate it with Teams. So SharePoint powers the file libraries in Teams, so documents shared in a channel are saved in SharePoint. Okay, it's what I was saying about the ecosystem. Okay, you can connect with OneDrive. Okay, so files stored in SharePoint can be synced to your device with OneDrive for offline access, and it's a part just of this whole 365 ecosystem by working with tools like Power Automate, Power Apps, also Microsoft List. We won't see this today, but it's just so as you can see, there is like plenty of stuff that you could do with SharePoint, and at the same time it nests this way under this Microsoft 365 structure. Okay, so let's go guys with those actual tickets.